Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Loop of Life puzzle in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to complete all the Abyss Islands leading to the Frost Element Unlock and the Sanctorum of Darkness. We have a detailed video in the channel on how to complete both the Frost Element and the Sanctorum of Darkness, so please make sure to check it out. If you just finished the Sanctorum of Darkness, head toward the Skygate at the back and activate it. Make your way up to that platform over there. Once you get here, use the teleporter to get transported to the Loop of Life Island. Now make your way to the entrance and activate the circle floor switch. You'll see 3 loops in this puzzle islands. First thing you need to do is grab the square panel in front of us, then plug it in on the socket using force palm or force current. From where I'm standing, you'll notice a second square panel on a platform over to our left. Grab this square panel and bring it up onto the platform above. Climb up to that platform, place the square panel on the socket, then plug it in using force palm or force current. This should remove the barrier in the room in front of us, which contains a third square panel. Take it out of this room and place it anywhere above us. Now grab the square panel that we just plugged in, pull it out of the socket and place it anywhere above us. Make your way up towards the second loop, then grab one of the square panels. Then place the square panel on top of the socket just behind the floating platform right over here. Plug this in using force palm or force current. Now grab the last square panel and bring it over to the third loop. Place this one on the socket on the left. Again, plug it in using force palm or force current. This should activate the circle contraption for this island. Now head over to the circle contraption and do a force palm or a force current on the center of the circle. You'll receive the artifact reward above, and you can now use the path to your left to reach the next island for the flame element. And that's how to solve the Loop of Life puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.